Alright, we're gonna do a unboxing. I just got packaged in the mail like literally like a couple hours ago. I was literally gonna film like with my actual big camera, but I'm using my vlogging camera because Dessa was crying and she didn't budge and I couldn't find the right angle, and so and then she got hungry, so I feed her and she is right here. Hi. So she burped and she's good. So I got packaged in the mail and it looks like this, and this is from y'all know, you guys know is that I love Erin Condren. Erin Condren is my awesome favorite go-to thing, and we're gonna go see what it can happen. So Erin Condren, slay with the box though, you know what I mean? Like look how beautiful this is. So we're gonna I covered my address because you guys don't need some address. I are on a member space. So so if you guys didn't watch my review on the Erin Condren notebook, I said that I got one for Odessa, one for YouTube, and I got another one. This one says, so we're gonna open this. Basically this one has like a flowery type and has my name on it. I'm gonna open it and show you guys. I'm gonna keep it in this nice, oh no, I ripped it. Damn. Shiitake mushrooms. Okay, I don't really need the plastic, it's all G. Oh, it smells beautiful. But it has that nice rose gold finish, and it has like a flowery thing, and it says Jessica Wires, which is my name. And this one basically is for me, it's from my journal. As you guys know that I'm suffering from like literally being sad and depressed and like really sad. And so like I thought to myself, you know, back in the day when I had that issue, when I actually saw an actual therapist, one of the things that I used to do is, if you guys didn't know, that I kind of sort of sing. So I used to write poems, I used to write lyrics, I used to just write journals or write how I feel. So I didn't do that in a while, and actually kind of sort of helped me. So anytime I feel, and I kind of lost all of them, but anytime I feel sad or down in the dumps, I'll always write how I feel and express myself. And so I got this because I wanna write down how I feel, and it basically makes me feel better, and also like just express my feelings and just write my personal thoughts in this and just express myself. Another tip, if you guys are suffering from depression, like for me, like if, for example, I post how I feel on Instagram, I post how I feel on Facebook, but now I have an outlet where I can actually post in here, and I can post how I feel and just write down things how I feel, because I just want to write down how I feel. Maybe like if I experience something really awesome, just how I feel is just how I normally do, and writing like things down just like this how I feel, you know, it is. So find your niche. If it's like listening to music, or if it's just writing lyrics, just write down things how you feel. I feel like that's the best way to express myself, because I'm very expressive. I'm not afraid to show my feelings, I'm not afraid to show who I am. But sometimes instead of balling it up and holding inside and crying and breaking down, I thought that it would be a good idea to actually write it down and just jot it, and then I can look back and say, wow, how strong I became and how powerful and amazing this is, and learn from my mistakes and learn from things and be a better person. So looks like this. It has like rose gold, and again it has my name on it. It's like little small cute little flower petals. When you open it inside, it just has like a nice rose and gold metallic finish, and then inside it says, your life is a story, write well and edit often. It's really nice. And it, you know, just same regular. And then of course, oh, and then I have a coupon in here. Ooh. And I have a coupon here which I'm gonna keep. And then the back, it says, note yourself, think less, live more. And then basically it has like their hashtag Erin Condren stuff. And look at this rose gold like finish though. Like it's really slick, it's really smooth, smells gorgeous. And then, ooh, girl, my daughter's kicking me. And it has a ribbon, so I've got to find it. It's somewhere in here. Yeah, but anyways, I got that, so I'm gonna and the next thing I got is this this I'll be honest with you, I have not been able to keep up with the planner. I had a happy day planner. I was gonna do plan with me videos, and then I just haven't been planning ever since I had my child, and then I just lost the motivation and I couldn't plan because like I just didn't have my niche, and I just didn't last the motivation, and I just was so busy and I was so tired being pregnant, and it was just stressful, and then I had Odessa, so I had no time. So I saw a review on this on the internet, on YouTube, and I was looking at this, and I saw Erin Condren has a YouTube channel, by the way, and I saw what you can do with this, and I thought this would be really perfect for me, and it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, and it's nice. So this is their hardbound customized planner. So basically it's a hardbound life planner, and it's customized weekly planner that was designed for its non-12 dates calendar, allow you to plan a month and allow you to have your own timeline. It's a vertical layout. It looks like this, and let's open it. It has my name, Jessica Wires. So it's basically it's like it has no dates, it has no nothing. You put in the dates, you can write the dates, you can customize it, you can start whenever you want to, you can do whatever you want. And also, so I thought, you know, I'm gonna start planning my life out, and I'm gonna start I am going to start, like, you know, I'm gonna do like plan with me videos, and I can start whenever I want to. And I think I'm gonna start like planning when I'm gonna upload videos, when I'm gonna edit videos, and write down now that Odessa is starting to get older, I'm gonna write down when her appointment is, and I can actually, it's really compact too, and I can take wherever I go, I can write down when her appointment is, when she gets ready. I don't know when I'm gonna start this, and there is like literally no date of when you can start this. So you open the planner, and it looks like this. It looks really gorgeous. Here, I'll flip this way. So basically it has the Erin Condren logo, and it has like flower petals, and it has a nice watercolor effect. And again, it's a hardbound, same material as the notebook, and it has my name, Jessica Wires. And when you open it, it has a nice wonderful flower metallic effect, and it basically has stuff about Erin Condren and what she is, so what she became, and a little about her. And this is Erin Condren, and this is the Erin Condren life planner vertical layout on the go, and that you can, you know, put yourself. And it, of course, like I said, every planner and everything she has is quotes. So this one says you can, and all that you thought you could not. It's really cute. And then over here it says a little progress each day adds up to big results. That's a really awesome quote. And then let's see what else next. Turn to the next page. And then it has like space that you could do like dreams or whatever you want, planet or whatever. You can do birthdays, and the pages are so beautiful. So like it has like a nice flower effect, and like if you see like all the previous Erin Condren planners, it does not have anything on it. It has literally empty, so you can write it down, you can customize it, you can do whatever you want. They have like green, and then remember I said they have quotes each time, so there's no dates on this right here. Oh my god, so gorgeous. It smells good. There's no dates, so basically it came with 432 metallic date dots, as you can see right here, and literally you can just customize it your own, and basically put in the date dots and whatever. And then they do have like sticker ones where you can either put stickers or you can write them, but I probably need to write them. And it comes, and you can just customize it just like this. So awesome. And yeah, that's pretty much, and it has like purple, different colors, and then they have a note or a quote each time. So like it has like a note thing, you can probably jot things down on the certain month, and it has like, each time it has different quotes. So for example, this one says true magic, trust in the magic of new beginnings, and it's so gorgeous. It has, oh, and also has like a little ribbon too. It's like another quote right here, and it's just so gorgeous. I love metallic finish, but so that smells so good. Oh, did it fall off? What happened to the? I'm like losing my mind here. Oh, it fell off. I like the way. I will put this back on. Alright, so yeah, and I like, and again it has a nice real gold finish, and it's super awesome. I can't wait to actually plan YouTube videos. I can't wait to plan, like, you know, upcoming events and actually stay organized. And this time I can do it, and anytime I want to. There is no like limit of when I want to start. There's like a bunch of 100 pages, and I'm gonna test this out, and if I really like this, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up one again and again. If you want to like get one for your own and you're just a person who just doesn't feel like planning, and you know, doesn't like plan like with certain dates, and not really a big planner like me, I try to stay planned with like actual different planners, but I'm gonna be honest, I never actually like do it, because either I forget about it, or either I excuse me, or either I'm so busy and I just can't. And also you can just customize it anytime you want, and this is just for NAM planners, for people who just plan whenever they want to, and there's no time limit on this. You can just plan whenever you want. I can start whenever I want, whenever year I want. I can even start this next year. I could even start it today. So I'm gonna start this. I'm gonna try this out, and I'll give you my review on it, and I'm gonna actually do more stop, my baby's kicking me. I'm gonna do plan with me videos, as you can see here right there. I'm gonna do actually plan with me videos. I'm gonna sit down when I have a moment, I'm gonna do plan with me. I probably won't do it every week, but I'll try to do every week. We'll see. But I will do basically show videos of this, and I'll make a playlist of this. But this is really awesome, and I'm really excited to use this. So yeah. So, and again, Erin Condren slays. So I got these two products, and I can't wait to use them. One is for jotting down, just basically expressing myself, and then one is planning out my life and starting whenever I want to. So yeah. So if you like what you see, thank you guys so much for all your comments and support. I love you guys so much. I can't wait to plan. So mahalo no aloha oi. I'll catch you guys on the next wave. Don't forget to click the cousin button to join the wonderful cousin OHANA. Don't forget to click the bell so you are notified when I upload. And I love you guys to the ocean and back. Catch you guys on the next wave, and join my wonderful Hawaiian culture. Mahalo no aloha oi. Shoots, cousin OHANA.